Hello, my friend. Now, in preparation for our time together, when we get ready to talk, well, actually, it won't be a phone call, it's going to be a Zoom call. I want you to do this exercise. I want you to talk to me about the 5 most difficult days of your life. Yes, that's what I want you to do. The 5 darkest days of your life. Here's why I want you to do that. Your deepest pain point is your highest paying point. So when you share your pain, you make your pain pay you back. I remember my darkest day. I had failed the bar exam. I get the information on Friday that we failed. So I go to church on Sunday, and a dear buddy of mine, Bill said, "Fred, how did you do?" And I didn't want to tell him that I failed. And Bill just gave me a hug. That hug just held my life together. I'll always remember that day. I kept going, my friend, and of course now I passed the bar. I'm a part of the United States Supreme Court. I've done a lot of things, but I want to hear about you. I want to hear about those darkest days of your life, because I want to know what happened, when it happened, where it happened, who it happened. Just write it down, because there, my friend, is a lot of great information. And I want you, in preparation of our time together, to write that out. And I am so looking forward to hearing you and hearing your story and hearing about your journey, because I believe that there's some awesome things in store for you concerning your book, brand, and your business. I'm Dr. Fred Jones. I look forward to seeing you. I'm excited. Looking forward to seeing you.